Welcome travelers, get ready to discover the magic of Lisbon through our selection of top 5 attractions of this magnificent city. Don't forget to share your own must-see spots in the comments below and let's begin. There is no better place to start the Lisbon tour than the Belem Tower, also known as the Tower of St. Vincent. It is a magnificent example of 16th century military architecture and a symbol of Portugal's age of discovery. Located along the Tagus River, this iconic fortress was built to defend the city from potential maritime attacks and served as a starting point for many voyages during the era of exploration. A UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1983, Belem Tower features a blend of Gothic and Manueline styles that showcase intricate details like carved rope and ornate stonework. Visitors can explore its 4-story bastion, which contains numerous cannons aimed at various angles to maximize defense capabilities. The tower's top terrace offers breathtaking views over Lisbon and the river below, making it an essential stop for anyone visiting this captivating city. Our next stop is the magnificent Jeronimos Monastery, also located in the historic district of Belem. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a breathtaking example of Manueline architecture. Built during the early 16th century to honor Vasco da Gama's discovery of the sea route to India, it is an iconic symbol of Portugal's age of exploration. This monastery not only showcases intricate carvings and elaborate ornamentation but also houses important cultural artifacts such as tombs and historical artworks. When you visit Jeronimos Monastery, you will be transported back in time as you explore its expansive gardens and impressive cloisters that once served as a place for contemplation for the monks residing there. Don't miss out on experiencing this awe-inspiring testament to Portuguese history and culture. Coming at number 3 is the Alfama District. This historic neighborhood of Lisbon is a must-visit for travelers seeking an authentic experience. With its narrow, winding streets and ancient architecture, the Alfama District truly transports visitors back in time. As you stroll through this picturesque area, you'll discover charming cafes and shops selling traditional crafts. The district is also home to the breathtaking Sé Cathedral and the iconic Castelo de Sal Jorge, which we will discuss later in this video, offering stunning panoramic views of the city. Make sure to visit this place in June during the celebrations of the Feast of Saint Anthony, when the streets are filled with music and dancing. Take your time to explore this enchanting neighborhood. Once you experience the magic of Alfama District, it's sure to become a highlight of your trip. Today's number 4 is the LX Factory. Once a thriving textile factory in the 19th century, this unique space has been transformed into a vibrant cultural center that houses a mix of art galleries, design studios, trendy restaurants and cafes. Visitors can enjoy various events and exhibitions held throughout the year at LX Factory while supporting local artists and entrepreneurs. With its rich history and dynamic atmosphere, LX Factory is an essential destination for anyone looking to experience contemporary Lisbon culture at its finest. Don't miss out on this incredible creative community when visiting Portugal's capital city. For the last site of this video, we are coming back to Alfama to see the beautiful Sal Jorge Castle. Located in the heart of Lisbon, this historic fortress dates back to the medieval period and has played a significant role in Portugal's rich history. With its commanding position atop one of Lisbon's 7 hills, Sal Jorge Castle offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Tagus River. The castle was originally built by the Moors in the 10th century as a defensive stronghold during their occupation of Portugal. Later, it served as a royal residence for Portuguese kings and witnessed numerous historical events such as wars, reconquests, and revolutions. Today, Sal Jorge Castle is open to visitors who can explore its impressive walls, towers and courtyards while learning about its fascinating past through interactive exhibits at its on-site museum. The castle also hosts various cultural events throughout the year including concerts and theatrical performances.